Ever wonder what truly gives you ownership over your crypto in a wallet like Bifrost? Is it a password? A username? The answer lies in something far more fundamental and powerful: the private key. In the world of cryptocurrency, understanding the private key is absolutely paramount. It's not just a technical detail, it's the bedrock of your digital asset security. If you're using a self-custodial wallet like Bifrost, this concept becomes even more critical because, unlike traditional banks, there's no central authority to bail you out if you lose access to your funds. You, and only you, are in control. So, what exactly is a private key in the context of Bifrost Wallet? Imagine your cryptocurrency holdings as a digital safe. Your Bifrost Wallet is the interface that allows you to interact with that safe, to see your balance, send funds, and receive them. But the private key? That's the secret combination, the ultimate master key that unlocks the safe and gives you complete control over its contents. Technically speaking, a private key is a highly complex, randomly generated alphanumeric code. It's essentially a very, very long secret number. This number is cryptographically linked to your public key, which is your wallet address, the address you share with others when you want to receive crypto. Think of your public key as your bank account number and your private key as the PIN to access that account. Anyone can send money to your account number, but only with the correct PIN can you actually send money out of it. The beauty and the responsibility of Bifrost Wallet lie in its non-custodial nature. This means Bifrost Wallet itself never stores your private keys. They are generated on your device and remain solely on your device, encrypted for your protection. This is a huge advantage for security, as it drastically reduces the risk of your funds being compromised by a third-party hack on a centralized exchange or custodial service. With Bifrost, you truly own your crypto because you own the keys. However, this also means the security of your private key is entirely in your hands. In most self-custodial wallets like Bifrost, you won't directly see or interact with this long string of characters. Instead, your private key, or rather, the set of private keys for all the different cryptocurrencies your wallet supports, is derived from something much more user-friendly: your seed phrase, also known as a recovery phrase or mnemonic phrase. This seed phrase is typically a sequence of 12 or 24 common words. When you first set up your Bifrost wallet, you'll be given this seed phrase and instructed to write it down and store it securely offline. This seemingly simple list of words is the equivalent of your master private key. If you lose your device, or if it breaks, you can use this seed phrase to restore your wallet and regain access to all your funds on a new device. It's crucial to understand that anyone who gains access to your seed phrase gains full control over your cryptocurrency. This is why Bifrost Wallet, and any reputable self-custodial wallet, will never ask you for your seed phrase. If someone does, it's a scam. Treat your seed phrase with the utmost care, as if it were a physical vault key containing all your financial assets. Store it offline, in multiple secure locations, and never, ever share it with anyone. In essence, the private key is the ultimate proof of ownership and the sole means of authorizing transactions from your Bifrost wallet. While the seed phrase is the human-readable representation that generates and recovers these private keys, it's the underlying private key that does the cryptographic heavy lifting, signing transactions and proving that you are the rightful owner of your digital assets. With Bifrost Wallet, you are empowered with true self-custody, and that power comes directly from your private key. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.